BizShort in seconds, say what matters. India, EU trade talks in crucial phase. India and the European Union have moved into a critical phase in their long-awaited trade negotiations, aiming to seal a free trade agreement (FTA) by the end of 2025. Over the past decade, bilateral trade in goods between India and the EU has nearly doubled, reaching about $137.5 billion in 2023 to 24. Both sides are accelerating discussions to reduce trade barriers, expand investment flows, and strengthen supply chains. Key sticking points remain. The EU has pressed for reduced tariffs on cars, medical devices, wine, spirits, and dairy products. Meanwhile, India has asked for better market access for its textiles, pharmaceuticals, steel, and petroleum products. Agriculture and non-tariff barriers remain contentious, with EU regulators especially concerned over standards and safety protocols. India's Trade Minister, Piyush Goyal, emphasized that they want a balanced agreement, one that protects India's domestic industries while improving access abroad. Copyright symbol EU's Agriculture Commissioner Christophe Hanse is reportedly in Delhi to iron out remaining issues. Negotiations at this stage are seen as especially strategic given shifting global trade landscapes, rising protectionism, and renewed US tariffs, including a doubling of some import duties on Indian goods. With both sides showing more urgency, many analysts believe the deal is closer than ever, though the final stretch will require significant compromises from both parties. If successful, the FTA could have far-reaching impact, reduced costs for Indian exporters, enhanced investment in EU-India, greater competitiveness of Indian goods overseas, and potential for technology and supply chain integration. On the flip side, industries in India sensitive to imports might push back, and the EU will have its own political pressures. Overall, it's a high-stakes negotiation with potential rewards for many, provided the deal is fair and balanced. Source: Reuters. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such update.